Hello student, this is class 3rd B. Class 3rd B. Subject GK. And date 12 to 12 to 2021. Now lesson 36, traditional games. Lesson 36, traditional games. Traditional games. So open page number 50. Identify these games. We are reading the games and you have to try to identify. It is a very old game. It is played in different parts of India. It is known by various names. It is the national game of Bangladesh, where it is known as Hadudu. Where it is known as Hadudu. What is the name of this game? You identify. Name of this game is Kabaddi. In India, its name is given as Kabaddi. So first is Kabaddi. First one is Kabaddi. Now second you see diagram, so it will be easy for you for understanding. You see this diagram. And India it is playing as the Kabaddi. Now next you see. Now it is a very popular traditional sport of India. It is a very popular traditional sport of India. It is played between two teams. Its two teams are known as chasing team and defenders. There are 9 players in each team. You see the diagram. So you can see this diagram and here, it is a popular traditional sport of India. It is played between two teams. The two teams are known as chasing team and defenders. There are 9 players in each team. What name is Kho-Kho? This is Kho-Kho. Kho-Kho. Now third, it is believed that this game was first played in Persia. From there it spread to different parts of the world. It is played between two teams of 4 players each. You see this game, you try to understand this game playing with the horse, with the help of the horse. The name of this game is polo. This is polo. Third, polo. Now fourth you see. It is a traditional wrestling style of Japan. Its wrestlers are known as Rikishi, a wrestler, fights to move his opponent from the ring and forces him to touch the ground. You are knowing very well. You can see these persons. These are the wrestling style of the Japan, and its name is sumo wrestling. Sumo wrestling. Sumo wrestling. And fifth, this sport is equally popular around the world. It is a traditional sport of Spain, Mexico, and Portugal. It has been banned in many countries to stop cruelty against the animals. Once again, this sport is equally popular around the world. It is a traditional sport of Spain, Mexico, and Portugal. It has been banned in many countries to stop cruelty against the animals. So, this game is bullfighting. Bullfighting. Now six. This is a very popular game which we are playing, and mainly children play this game, where we use the small size balls and playing this game with our friends. This game is played with a small round shaped balls. These balls are made from glass, clay, or steel. Almost every nation has a part of its sports history associated with it. Once again, now you see the diagram, then you can find this is diagram. This is diagram, and you know this game very well. So this is called as the marbles. Marbles. So something more here. So which modern game is said to have originated from an ancient game, Chaturanga? Which modern game is said to have originated from an ancient game, Chaturanga? You know very well about chess. Chess. Chess game, that is modern game. We can write in it find out. Now find out that is given. Which modern game is said to have originated from an ancient game? Chaturanga. That is chess. Now next one is archery. Is an indigenous sport of Meghalaya. This sport has gained huge popularity in the Olympics. Now next, funny facts. What is given? The only king without a mustache in a pack of cards is the king of hearts. So next time we will discuss next lesson. Thank you. That's for today.